In this video, I would like to show you how to find the y-intercept and how to find the slope of a line from a graph. Now, I'll start by this red line here. I think it's red. So, the first thing we do is we need to find two perfect points. Now that's confusing. What do I mean when I say a perfect point? A perfect point is where the x and y meets, like in integers like this. Now if we do have a line coming through these points, this is not a perfect point because it's just one value. This is not a perfect point. This is not a perfect point. If we have a line coming like this is a perfect point. This is a perfect point when you have both x and y. That's good. So like this is a perfect point here. Did you get me? Now we need to find two perfect points. Now this is a perfect point and this is a perfect point. Once you get them, then you will count how many rise and how many run. So starting from the y-intercept, we will go down 1 and we will run 1. So the slope of this line is -1 over 1. Why did I say -1? Because we went down. So the slope of this line is just -1. And the y-intercept is where the line crosses y. So the y-intercept is just y equals 4. This is perfect. Now let's look at the next, this blue line here. Let's check where are the perfect points. So similarly, this point here is a perfect point. This is not, but that point is a perfect point up there. So we got the two perfect points, this one here and that one on the 2. So from this point to that point, we need to go up 1, 2, 3, and we need to run 1, 2. So we did 3 rise and we did 2 run. So the slope or the gradient of this line is 3 over 2. We got it. And what's the y-intercept? The y-intercept is the point where the line crosses the y. So the y-intercept of the blue line is y equals 2. That's perfect. Now, let's look at these here. Let's find the slope, the gradient, and the y-intercept. What do we do first? We find two perfect points. I'm starting on this line. I don't know what color is that. It looks yellow. So two perfect points. This is a perfect point on 3. This is a perfect point, and that's also a perfect point. So it's up to you. I will just choose this because it's close. So how many steps do we rise? We rise 1. How many steps do we run? We run 1, 2. So the slope is rise over run. So it's 1 over 2. We rise 1 and we run 2. So we got it. That's the slope of this nice line. Now let's look at this black line. It's this one. Find two perfect points. Is this a perfect point? No, it's not. The perfect point is where the x and y intersects, like this. This is a perfect point. This is a nice perfect point. So from this point to that point, we will go 1, 2 down, and we will run 1, 2. So what's the slope of this line? It's -2 because we went down over 2. So the slope is just -1. So what's the gradient? What's the slope of this line? It's -1. What about the y-intercepts? The y-intercept of the black line is y equals 4 because it crosses the y at 4. So it's y equals 4. And for the yellow line, it crosses the y in 3. So y equals 3. This is the y-intercept and the slope for these lines. How was it? Did you get it? Was it easy? Why don't you please find the slope and the gradient of this blue line here? This one. Do it and post your answer in the comments. That's all. Thank you for following. Bye.